Electricity. It's a force that powers our world. But what exactly is it? Electricity is the movement of electrons, tiny particles that make up atoms. These charged particles create a flow of energy, which we harness to power our homes, devices, and industries. So, how does electricity actually work? Well, it starts with a power source, like a generator or a battery. This source pushes the electrons through a circuit, creating a continuous flow of electricity. But what's a circuit, you ask? A circuit is a complete pathway that allows the electrons to travel from the power source to the device that needs to be powered. It's like a circular road where electricity can flow freely. Electricity can either be a current or a voltage. Current is the flow of electrons, while voltage is the force that pushes them along. Together, they create the power we rely on every day. Electricity can come in two forms, AC and DC. AC stands for alternating current, which constantly changes direction, like the electricity powering your home. DC stands for direct current, which always flows in one direction, like the electricity from a battery. Now, you might be wondering about all those wires and cables you see around you. They're made of conductive materials, like copper or aluminum, that allow the electrons to move easily. But electricity needs to be controlled. That's where switches, fuses, and circuit breakers come into play. These devices help regulate and protect the flow of electricity, keeping us safe. Power plants generate electricity by various means, like burning fossil fuels, harnessing the power of the sun, or harnessing the power of moving water. It's then transmitted through a network of power lines to our homes and businesses. So, the next time you flip a switch or plug in a device, remember that you're tapping into the incredible power of electricity. It's a force that lights up our world and connects us all. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world around us.